Welcome, our followers. In today's video, we will design together how to manipulate images in an easy and simple way in the Canva program. The first thing, we go to the pictures and choose the image of the girl. After that, we put it in the background. You will choose the frame and start adjusting the size to the largest and placing it in the middle of the design as shown in front of you. Then we click on the image of the snowy forests and put it inside the frame, and click on the magic gate of Dr. Strange and start adjusting the appropriate size of the frame. Then duplicate it and adjust the size of the copy as we did in the previous version, and we rotate it in the opposite direction, and we repeat in another copy, duplicate it. But this time the situation will be different by cutting the circle in the middle, and we put it behind all of the above. Then we select all the elements, put them in a group, move them to the middle of the design, and adjust the size. As you can see now, I do it quickly for the time of the video so that you do not get bored. I am joking with you, but you have to follow up and focus well in this video. You have to bring your own delicious drink and enjoy watching the video well. We bring the image of the wolf and we remove the background by pressing the edit button and choose to remove the background, and we put an image here and set the direction up. We bring the image of the other wolf and we remove the background by pressing the edit button and choose to remove the background, and we reverse the direction of the wolf face horizontally, and we put an image here like this. After that, we stand with the mouse on the image of the wolf, click on Edit Image, choose Filters, scroll down and choose a filter there. Then after that, we also stand with the mouse on the image of the other wolf, click on Edit Image, choose the filters, scroll down and choose a filter of dare. After that, we will create a light shadow for the magic circle of Dr. Strange. We will click on the shadow, and then change its color to bright orange. Then we put it in the middle and reduce its transparency for 80. After that, we make another copy of a larger size, and then put them in the middle behind all the other elements in this easy and simple way. Then we bring the image of the forest girl and we cut it and click on Edit Image, and we click Remove Background, and then we put it in the middle and adjust its size. After that, we will change the filter and go to the Edit Image again, then choose the filters and click on the Festive filter. We will create a shadow for the girl and reduce the opacity of the shadow until it reaches 80. Then put it behind the girl under her feet. And we make another copy of the shadow in order to place it under the magic circle of Dr. Strange, and then put it in the back under the magic circle of Dr. Strange, as is the view in front of you. We will bring another picture of the wolf in a different way, and we will cut it in this way, and we will go to the Edit Image. Then we click on Remove Background. Then we put it to the right of the magic circle of Dr. Strange and start making it smaller, to be compatible with the design. Then after that, we also stand with the mouse on the image of the other wolf, click on Edit Image, choose the filters, scroll down and choose a filter of dare. Then we stand with the mouse on the background image and go to the Edit Image adjustment. Then reduce the brightness, until you reach -30 to become like the darkness of the night. After that, we go to the elements and bring a picture of Dr. Strange. And we go to Edit Image, then click on Remove Background, and we make it smaller. Then we put it inside Dr. Strange's magic circle. We modify its filter by going to the edit image, then selecting filters and clicking on the festive filter. After completing the filter, we place the image behind the image of the girl between the image of the magic circle and the image of the snowy frame in this way. And that's how we finished today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button, and share the video.